KNDS Deutschland and Hungarian defense company Currus Zrt. have launched a new joint venture, LEOPARD Hungary MRO Kft. to provide comprehensive logistical support for the Hungarian Armed Forces KNDS equipment. Officially established on February 20, 2025, in Gdalo, Hungary, the partnership divides ownership between Currus 51% and KNDS 49%. The venture's primary responsibility is maintenance, repair and operational support, MRO, for Hungary's KNDS fleet, covering the Leopard 2A7HU main battle tank, PZH-2000 self-propelled howitzer, Wisent 2HU recovery vehicle and Leguan bridge layer system. Additionally, it will manage maintenance for associated training and simulation facilities. As part of its ongoing military enhancement efforts, Hungary signed a significant agreement with Krauss-Maffei Leguan KMW in December 2018. The deal included procurement of 44 Leopard 2A7 Plus, A7HU, tanks, 24 PZH-2000 self-propelled howitzers, and various support vehicles. The agreement also involved leasing 12 Leopard 2A4HU tanks for training purposes, which will remain in Hungarian possession following the lease period. Since December 2020, these training tanks have been stationed at the Tata Brigade, Hungary's core tank unit. The first deliveries of the Leopard 2A7HU began in December 2023, with the final batch expected to arrive by 2025. Hungary's modernization efforts extend beyond frontline combat vehicles to include specialized support and recovery systems. The country has acquired 3 Leguan bridge layers, 5 Wisent 2 armored recovery vehicles, and 9 Bergpanzer 3 Buffel recovery tanks. The first BPZ-3 Buffel was delivered in September 2022, followed by extensive crew training. Further deliveries included 5 Leopard 2A7HU tanks, a Wisent 2 recovery vehicle, and a Leguan bridge layer on December 14, 2023. The integration of PZH-2000 self-propelled howitzers is progressing as planned. These 24 artillery units are designated for the 101st Artillery Division in Tata, providing fire support for the Georgi Klapka 1st Armored Brigade. The first reference model was received in January 2022 and sent back to KMW for modifications before entering mass production. Hungary received its first operational unit in August 2022, with the entire order expected to be completed by late 2024. A successful live-fire test took place in September 2022, ensuring the system's combat readiness. Hungary's Wisent 2HU recovery vehicles have been modified to meet the nation's operational needs. Originally ordered in 2018, these vehicles are tailored to support the Leopard 2A7HU and PZH-2000 fleets. The first Wisent 2HU unit arrived in December 2023, with additional units scheduled for delivery by the end of 2024. The fleet will also be equipped with specialized demining and technical equipment. The Leopard 2A7HU features several enhancements compared to the standard Leopard 2A7 model. These upgrades include an FN Herstau remote-controlled weapon station, reinforced roof armor, an advanced fire control system with automatic target tracking, and the Perry RTWL stabilized commander's sight. The Leopard 2A7 Plus configuration further benefits from digital enhancements, modular protection systems, and increased sustainability measures. Weighing approximately 67.5 tons, the tank is powered by a 1,500 horsepower V12 MTU MB873 engine, achieving a top speed of 72 km per hour and a maximum range of 450 km. Hungary's total acquisition includes 44 Leopard 2A7HU tanks, 24 PZH-2000 howitzers, 12 Leopard 2A4HU training tanks, 5 Wisent 2HU recovery vehicles, 3 Leguan 2HU bridge layers, and 9 Bergpanzer 3 Buffel recovery tanks. The estimated cost of the entire program ranges between 1.6 and 1.8 billion euros, with all deliveries projected to be completed by 2028. The Leopard 2A7HU tanks are set to replace Hungary's aging T-72M1 fleet, with training facilitated through Leopard 2A4HU units. To enhance operational readiness, a Leopard 2 simulator was installed at Tata by KMW. The first confirmed sighting of a Leopard 2A7HU in Hungary occurred on August 22, 2023, near the Austrian and Slovakian borders, accompanied by a Bergpanzer 3 Buffel recovery vehicle. Some of the delivered units initially served as reference models before full-scale integration into the Hungarian armed forces. With these significant developments, Hungary continues to modernize its military capabilities, reinforcing its defense infrastructure through cutting-edge armored vehicles and advanced logistical support.